This tutorial assumes you've already launched the Fantastico application. Now let's learn how to install Nucleus. Click the Nucleus link here. This is the Nucleus installation screen. Nucleus is a powerful blog script featuring multiple blogs, multiple authors, drafts and future posts, and bookmarklets. Click the New Installation link here. Enter the name of the directory you want to install in, or leave this field blank for installation in the root directory. Enter an admin username and password in the following boxes. Enter the admin's name here. Then enter an admin email address. Enter a name for the blog here. Then enter a short blog name. Finally, enter a description for your blog. When ready, click here to install. Click here to finish the installation. That's it! Nucleus has been successfully installed in your account and is ready for you to start configuring it. Click here to log in to your new installation. Log in using the admin username and password you assigned during installation. Your new installation is now listed here on the script's homepage. From here you can visit the site by clicking here, or remove the script from your account by clicking here. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install Nucleus to your account from within Fantastico.